Okay guys, it's me Imad. On February 21, 2023, we got our plant of Petrosedum sediforme. The common name of this plant is pale stone crop sedum, okay? Or you can call it a sedum, pale stone crop. Okay, now you can see that we have a very small plant that used to live for 1 year or for about 10 months inside this disposable cup. Okay, now we will try to propagate it from the leaves. Okay, so we have plucked some of its leaves, as you can see. Usually you are supposed to pluck the leaves from the lower side. Okay, so okay, and one more thing, that you must have to pluck the leaf with proper care. No part of the leaf must be attached with the stem, okay? And it's better that if leaf will get some of the stem part. Why it is so? Because on this part of the leaf, stem cells are there, which will help us to create a new baby plant. Now you can see that we have plucked a lot of leaves, and as sedums usually have very good propagation rate from leaves. Okay, so you should have to keep these leaves for about some days so that they will kill soured. Okay, on April 8, 2023, now we have taken our media, and you can even wait for about 2 to 3 weeks, okay, because it is winter here. So, or we can say a little bit spring. So now you can see that we got some of our leaves with the roots. Okay, now our roots are there, and maybe there may be some sort of baby plants. Okay, so first it is better to water this out. Okay, and this media is actually very much sandy. Okay, I have attached a lot of sand, and now you can see that how it used to absorb the water, because succulents do not used to reside inside a very wet place or muddy. Okay, so it's better to put these inside very well draining soil. Now we are just putting all the leaves inside the media. Okay, now we can see a lot of roots. Okay, and you can see a very little baby on one of the leaves, the leaf which is on the top. We can see a very little baby. Okay, because around about 2 months are passed. Okay, so okay, you are not supposed to cover the tips. Okay, you are just supposed to place the leaf on the media, and they will grow on their own. Okay, okay, now we have to wait for some weeks, okay, in order to have baby plant. So now we have to place them in shade and not in the direct sunlight. Okay, our results day, okay, on July 8, 2023 is and one more thing, that I have lost a lot of leaves. Okay, the results are real. Okay, and I just got 3 baby plants on 3 leaves. Okay, and one is healthy, that you can see. One is a very healthy plant which used to have roots inside the media, while others are just trying to survive on the media, because the roots must be inside the media or at least touch the media so that plant can get some sort of minerals and water. So now this is our result. Now you can see there are now I will show you a little bit close look. Okay, now you will try. Okay, now you can see it. Okay, now this is our plant with two, okay, with two baby plant. Our leaf is with two small baby plants. Now we will go for the next one. And one more thing, that before planting the succulents, you need to put a lot of stones or small pebbles beneath the media, okay, for better drainage of the water. If there is water inside, if there is more water inside the media, so it will be converted to mud and ultimately the succulent will die. Okay, now I will show you the macro lens. Okay, now I have played. Okay, now macro lens recording. Okay, now you need to see with macro lens. I will show you now. You can see that how our baby is, and there are 2 to 3 plants on the single, okay, leaf. Okay, now we can see one plant with some roots. Okay, one small baby plant with some roots, and here this one, the third one is having 2 baby plants on a single. Okay, now you can see it with the macro lens from all sides. Now this is our plant with some roots, but roots are not seems to be healthy. Now wait, let me go for the next result, this one. Okay, now you can see with the macro lens that how still there are some fresh roots. If we will if we used to embed it in the soil, it will be good. Okay, if we will just put the roots inside the soil, okay, it will take some nutrients, some water, and the plant will survive ultimately. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the pale stone crop or perosedum sediforme from the leaves. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.